Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. If your screen turns off very frequently, making it hard for you to use your smartphone, then this episode is for you. In this episode, we will see how to adjust the screen timeout. Screen timeout is the duration for which the screen of your smartphone will remain on even if you are not doing any action on it. If it turns off too soon, then it may cause frustration because even if you are thinking what to write for a few seconds, it will turn off before you can write. If it turns off after a really long time, then unnecessarily it will drain your battery and you will have to charge your phone again soon. So it's important to set the screen timeout to the right duration. To do so, go to settings and search for screen timeout. You can also find it under the display option. Now, select a duration that is most convenient for you. We recommend keeping it at 1 minute. You can try it and adjust again as per your comfort if required. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can call us to know more about such tips. We also help seniors with any tasks like home delivery of grocery, medicines, or movie tickets, planning a vacation, online payments, anything that seniors need. Just tell us and we'll get it done just like your children. You can call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411 or download our app. The link is in the description of this video. We are eagerly waiting to hear from you. Thank you and see you again soon.